In today's video, we are visiting South Africa Safari Wildlife. Welcome back to the channel, it's JD here, and I hope you guys enjoy. This hyena was very curious. He approached the vehicle from the side, and for some time he'd been running in the front. Now, unfortunately, the audio is gone, but I thought I'd just record this bit to let you guys know. Finally, we caught the lions on the end of the trip. I hope you guys enjoy watching the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers, guys.